What's up guys, V here, and today was a very exciting day because we finally got 13.5 jailbreak for the iPhones, and this has been my first jailbreak in a very long time. I decided to jailbreak my iPhone. This one here is my wife's iPhone, and we're gonna use this for this tutorial. But the reason I'm making this tutorial is because I ran into a couple issues, and I just want to show you the full in-depth look of how to jailbreak an iPhone on 13.5. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First thing you want to do is go to this website here, uncover.dev. I will put their official website in the description below, so check that out. Once you're here, pick your OS, how you want to do it. I do recommend doing this using a computer or a Mac. You will need the latest iTunes installed, and you cannot use the one that comes in the Microsoft store. You would have to get the one that's listed here, pretty much the real application, not the Universal Windows application. So you can download it directly from these links. Once you click on it, it'll download. I have already downloaded it. If you already have iTunes, you can go to help, make sure you're on the latest, so check for updates, and it'll tell you if you're on the current version. If you are, you're good to go. So close that out. The next step is getting Alt Store. So you click on this link here on their website, it'll take you to the Alt Store. You click Windows Beta or Mac OS, whichever you're going with. And then once you do that, it'll download. Go, and it will be a compressed folder, so go ahead and extract it. Click on the setup, click next. Once that's installed, click close. Once you do that, go ahead and click the start and type in Alt Server and click on the app. Allow access, and this will ask you to download iCloud. Now, this is one of the first issues I ran into, so it's not a big deal. Hit download. It will download it automatically for you, which is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video real quick, and I'll be right back once that's downloaded and installed. All right, so I'm back. I just downloaded and installed iCloud. I haven't even signed in or anything. And so then back to that original step, go to Cortana, type in Alt Server. It should be right here in the top if you have Alt Store installed. So go ahead and click on that, and then you go down here in your system tray, and you should see these, I don't know why there's three, but there should be one. So go ahead and click on it, and then what you're gonna wanna do is hit Install Alt Store, and as long as your iPhone is connected, which this one is, go ahead and click the iPhone you want. This is Karen's iPhone, my wife's. So I'm gonna click on that and then type in your Apple ID and password. All right, so once you do that, as you can see right here, it says installing Alt Store to Karen's iPhone. And there it is on her iPhone. Now, we're gonna move on to the next step. All right, so the next steps are on the iPhone itself. If you try to click Alt Store, it won't let you go in. So go to Settings. What you're gonna wanna do is go down to General. So General right here. And you'll see Device Management. Click on that. Click on the one that you installed, and then you wanna trust it. Click Trust. Once you did all that, what you're going to want to do is go to that same website, uncover.dev, on your iPhone that you have Alt Store installed on, and there's a button right here that says Open in Alt Store. Go ahead and click on that, click Open, and it will download and install Uncover. So go ahead and type in your Apple ID that you signed in with on the computer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off screen real quick. All right, so once you sign in, now it's gonna give you some more instructions. So So there's Uncover. Now we got Uncover in here, and all you gotta do is click Jailbreak. So you hit OK, it will reboot itself. Alright, so once your phone reboots, you're gonna wanna go back to Uncover and hit Jailbreak yet again to go ahead and finish the jailbreaking process. Click OK. You will reboot once again, and once it reboots, you will have Cydia installed and you are 100% jailbroken. And that's all there is to it. So there's all my information there. And I will list all the links in the description so you don't get scammed or anything, because there are a lot of false websites, so be careful of that. This is the only official website for Uncover, and definitely get your information from there. Thank you for watching. This is V. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.